Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to slow down YouTube Shorts on mobile. So let's dive right in. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And once you are on YouTube, find the short you wanted to slow down. And now, simply tap on the like button right here. And once you've done it, simply tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And here, simply tap on Liked Videos playlist and play the short that you have liked. And now, tap on this icon to open it in full screen mode. And now, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now, tap on the option that says Playback Speed. Okay, so now you will see a range of speed options. To slow down the short, select 0.75x, 0.5x, or even 0.25x, depending on how slow you wanted the video to be. And that's it. Your YouTube short is now playing at a slower speed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.